What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Wilderness Survival. Today we're making a long one. Alright, so our goal for the video is to finish our kitchen off, get partway done with Reed's older brother's lodge, who's behind the camera. Reed's behind the camera. So,
guys,
anyways, next up, come over here. We got the Sea Lodge. We will not tell you his first name because privacy. It starts with a C. Guess in the comments. I want to see how many of you can get it right. All right. Basically, let's get to the kitchen. Follow me. Be careful going through this, guys. It's pretty pokey. Little area back here uses the kitchen. Let's clean this out. Okay, guys. Oh, yeah. All right. So we got this. We gotta make a pulley system. Alright, we don't have the cup for the pulley because it made us angry.
we'll get back to that later.
Yeah. Alright. We have this. Do we want to throw this over or wait till we have the cup done?
Let's throw it over now so it won't break.
Well, but then it will blow away. Without waiting.
We can tie it though.
Alright, let me stick this back. Let me find the start of this paracord. Found it, okay.
Now just throw that in between that gap if you can.
Right here.
Do you want me to do? I know I'd throw the ball so that it actually like weighs something. Perfect shot, Jesus. Maybe you should put basketball if you can make that. I would play it.
That should be
Pull that down.
Huh?
We might want to cut it like way up here.
I'm thinking here.
Then we're gonna have to tie it. We're gonna be legit.
Well, I'm gonna at least tie this side. Alright.
Then this is all just gonna fall down a little bit. I will grab the axe and cut it. Just gonna cut it like there, maybe. Cut it like that.
Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Right here.
That works.
Oh crap, if I can hold your record. You have a big knife, right?
Yeah.
Go get it. I'll take care of it. Okay, he's gonna go get a big knife. Alright. So guys, anyways, we got Huh?
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe to the video.
Otherwise we will find you in your sleep. Basically, guys. So, yeah. Quiet wilderness. Love it out here. Yep. Kids, do not try this at home. Okay. All right. The monkey's little brother's back. Okay. Oh, we got him cutting now. Okay, gotta go. Crap. Take. Okay, get it. I can get it. Here, hold it. I get it. Okay, secure it.
just tie it to the other cup.
I don't think I can. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, Reed, I guess we could always do this, and then, like, once we get the cup attached, just chuck it over.
Yeah, we could.
Alright, let's just do that. We got the base of the pulley.
Okay, we'll be back in a sec.
Alright, guys, so we got the seasoning cup ready. Not yet. Because we don't need to lose this. Alright. Do not try this at home, kids.
You missed. That's why you're not a quarterback. And that's where I wanted it to go. That's exactly where it needs to go.
And then we'll just, like, every time we'll just, like, we'll just untie this knot. And then we'll
Let it fall, grab our seasoning, and then let it back up and tie it back around. Pull it a little bit. Yeah, like that. So there's the cup right there.
No tree gremlins better come in and take our freaking.
If a squirrel comes, oh my gosh, but
Bro's gonna be like, what is this powder?
we're just gonna, if you know what I mean. Behind you.
Yeah, I saw. Okay, like that, and then crap, is that not untiable? Yeah. Alright.
Alright, well, that's good for
That's the seasoning holder. Honestly, it ain't that bad. Oh, crap.
I got it.
Alright, here. Alright, we're gonna let the big guns here try this. Get this thing. Yep, there we go. Ah! No! It'll go back. It'll go back. There we go. Alright. Let's grab our tools. Take these back to camp. We're gonna call that camp, guys, because, well, it's camp. Remember, guys, we'll get back to the video in a second, but guess C's name. It's Reed's older brother. His name starts with a C. If you guess it, you get a huge shout out.
Yep, and we'll heart your comments.
Alright, guys, basically, we're gonna work on C Lodge. This isn't just used for his older brother, it can be used for all visitors. But the main person who will be using it is C. Alright. So, like, let's get to work, Reed.
Alright.
We'll be back with sticks. Alright. Let's go. This one? It's for the back side, yeah. I think we took all the good sticks from our lodge, not even gonna lie. Probably did. This is just gonna be the basic kind of stack of lodge, I guess. Okay, never mind, I found one. Found a good one. Okay, I got a back one in place. I gotta show them this. Alright. We got a big one. Big one. Looks like a cane for a giant. I'll show you the full scale size. It goes about right there. Alright, let's swivel the camera. Oh, good to know there's a tree with tiny thorns over here. Alright. There's a tiny thorn tree over here. Okay. But it's alright because we're walking with it that much. Alright. So, alright guys,